Good day guys, Chef Ben again, and welcome to our channel. Before anything else, may I first greet all of my subscribers. If it is not for you guys, I would not feel successful in what I'm doing now. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. Today guys, I will be making a different kind of mousse because this is a no-cook mousse. And I opted to make a fresh fruit mousse. And when I go out in the market today, I happen to see a dragon fruit. So I'll be making a fresh dragon fruit mousse today. First, I'll make a puree out of the dragon fruit. And then, I'll be adding dissolved unflavored gelatin. And then for the whipped cream. And of course, some sugar. And to add a little flavor, a little bit of Calamansi juice. By the way, before I forget, for first timer in our channel, after watching the video, please subscribe. And also, don't forget to like and click the notification bell just down there. And also, don't forget to comment because based on your comment, I could make the necessary adjustment to my videos. By the way, should you want to change the dragon fruit, feel free. You can replace it with any fruit that you want. Just puree it and then replace with the fruit of your choice. So, without further ado, let us now start. Okay, these are our ingredients. We have 1 cup of dragon fruit puree, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 sachet or 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin, dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water, and then dissolved in the microwave oven to make it much more easier. We also have 1/2 cup of sugar and about 1/8 teaspoon of salt and the juice of 1 calamansi, and then 1 cup of whipped cream. We will pour it later. So now we will start. First we will pour our puree into our bowl, and then we will add the sugar. Then we'll just have to stir it until the sugar dissolves. And then next, we will add the juice of 1 calamansi. Okay. And then we will add our unflavored gelatin. Then we will fold our whipped cream. Okay. So you just have to lift it this way. Yes. Just have to be careful so that the trapped air in the Whipped cream would not escape. Now we will pour. Now it is here. We will just have to chill this and then put some whipped cream on top and some pieces of dragon fruit balls on top. And then we serve it. Okay guys, we'll just have to pipe some whipped cream on top of this mousse, just like this one. Yes. Okay. And then we'll be adding something red. I don't have any cherry, but I have a red cow. Okay. So there goes our red cow. And the other one. So our fresh dragon fruit mousse. Okay guys. So okay, we'll just have to check. So we'll just have to cut. Please look at this one. Look at the texture. It's very, very fine. Okay. Now let's check the other one. So get some. Look, it's not too hard. It's soft but firm and fine. Okay. So guys, that is our fresh dragon fruit mousse, a no-cook mousse. May I remind you that the fruit can be changed. Dragon fruit, you can change it to mango or papaya or any fruit that is available, and then come up with another kind of mousse. Reminder, for any comments and suggestion, kindly get it down below. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also the bell, don't forget to click the bell, the notification bell. So, thank you very much for watching. And See you next video for another kind of dish that you can serve this Christmas season. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. And God bless us all.